I never really sat inside.
Wow! Having a day and that's okay.
You know, baby, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
Welcome to Something Yellow. Welcome to my creative space. Welcome to this space. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Show your girl some support by liking, commenting, sharing. This just helps get my video out there more and helps me keep creating because I love to create, and yeah, letting me know that you enjoy my content really goes a long way. So do subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. Thank you for joining this space. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thanks for coming back. You clearly enjoy this content if you're back here again, so thank you. It means a lot.
Things we plan to do today.
For the times when we're apart, well, just close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. Close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today, and then you can remember. Soon there will be a party from the corner of me and the party. Didn't know you. Other words, some days for 14 hours, and you can bet he barely makes $1. His mother goes to school even without being said, but I don't wanna bore you. My trouble, that's nothing. Go on, celebrate. I can go and let this be. Somehow I know
guys, please subscribe, like, comment, because it helps me, you know, as a creator. And yeah, when you like, subscribe, it puts my videos out there, so subscribe. It's so pretty, it's so pretty. Wow, so pretty here. Wow, so pretty here. Wow, the weather is fantastic. The sun is shining. I have a cobweb on my face. Wow.
Why? Fixed you up last night and I'll do it again.
Welcome to Something Yellow. Another video. This is just a day in my life. A vlog in my life. A day in the vlog. What do you call it? A vlog. Enjoy the vlog. I don't know what this is. Just enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the video. Share with your friends so that we can get to 500 subscribers by the end of August. Please subscribe.
What nonsense, darling. You do it so well. Why? Fixed you up last night and I'll do it again.
Several days later.
Hey guys, I just undid my hair. It was in those braids that you probably saw in my previous vlogs or my pictures on IG. Yeah, but this is how it looks like when it's slightly stretched out because it's still a bit puffy. I really wanted to do that. I really did. I'm having a day and that's okay. I'm having a day and that's okay. Sounds like I'm really trying to convince myself about that, but yeah, I'm having a day. I've had 2 iced coffees today. That's when you know that is tough. It's thick. I'm gonna probably moisturize because it's hella dry. I don't know if you guys can hear the crunch. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but it's hella dry. So I'm gonna moisturize it and put it in like big plates. Put on my satin head wrap thingy and just get it going. Also, don't mind my nails. I'm going through it, but I'm happy that my hair is flourishing. It's healthy. Probably wash it next weekend.
Why? Fixed you up last night and I'll do it again.
Today the sun came out. It's Tuesday. The sun hasn't been out in like 2 weeks. It's just been gloomy and freezing cold. Like, I've been spending my time at the fireplace. But today the sun came out and I was just like, wow. But look, let me just show you. The sun was shining just now. It was glaring. Now look. What is that? Oh my gosh, like surely the sun was just, the sky was blue. Why are you doing this, Nairobi? You're not supposed to be doing this. You're supposed to be shining. So I don't know what this is, but I'm not feeling these vibes. Yeah, I know it's July, and usually July is like the cold season. Hey, but imezidi. Like, anyway. Also wanted to say the Q&A video will be coming up next after this vlog. So look out for that. I haven't forgotten about it, guys. I have not forgotten about it. I'm really looking forward to filming that. It's just been kind of like a crazy week for me. Yeah. And I've just been taking time for myself. But this vlog will be the last vlog of the month. I won't be vlogging much after this. I'll be doing different types of videos, Q&A, sit down, but I'm looking forward to filming different type of content. I enjoy filming vlogs, and I know you guys also enjoy the vlogs, but I'll be taking a break from vlogs. Yeah, so look out for the Q&A right after this vlog. I think it will be coming out a week after this vlog. You'll have already seen this vlog. It's gonna come out now, the next video after this, so look out for that. I hope you guys are keeping well, keeping warm, safe. The Ronoh, you know,